Party President of UCI, Dr. Jean-Marie Alain Kwame, President of the African Cycling Federation, UCI Management Committee members, National Federation Presidents, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I first of all want to thank UCI under the capable leadership of David Apache for choosing our country to host both the 1994 the Congress, 194th Congress, and the Road World Championships. The 125th anniversary of the UCI is a significant milestone. All the more so because it marks the first time that these events are held in Africa. We are proud that with 108 nations competing, we have an outstanding global turnout. From Africa alone, we have 36 countries, which is the highest participation from our continent ever. We are grateful to all the riders and fans who have traveled from near and far to be here. From the biggest cycling nations to the smallest, your presence is what makes these events truly meaningful. To the athletes, we know that our hills can be relentless, yet you navigate them with determination and heroism. Your resilience mirrors Rwanda's own journey, which has led us to this historic moment. We are deeply inspired by you, and you will be there every step of the way to cheer you on. Across Africa, bicycles have long been a vital mode of transport and livelihood. In Rwanda, we have also invested to develop cycling as a sport. I want to thank partners who have worked with us to do this. These efforts made the Tour de Rwanda one of Africa's premier races and laid the foundation for talent development, as well as the fan base that has energized the streets all around the course this week. Earlier this year, we inaugurated 3 UCI satellite centers, making Rwanda the second country in Africa to host them. Already, many African riders are training there, gaining access to facilities and coaching that were once out of reach. We can see sports as a driver of growth and opportunity, and hosting world-class events accelerates progress and multiplies the impact. But too often, when Africa or another non-traditional host is chosen for a global event, the reaction is skeptical and frequently dismissive. There are those who believe that hosting events of this magnitude should be a monopoly reserved for a few. These reflexive attitudes are outdated and wrong. The main rule of any sport is fairness. We are here today because David Lapatien upheld the principle of fairness. He wins gold in that category. I thank you. I want to thank you on behalf of Rwanda for your integrity and the courage to stand up for what is right and fair. Governing bodies of sports have a responsibility to open doors and expand access, and that is what we see UCI doing. We congratulate you all for that. Investing in Africa means tapping into one of the fastest growing and most youthful regions in the world. The future of Africa and the future of cycling are deeply intertwined. From producing elite riders to building industries in manufacturing, training, tourism, and event management, the potential is immense. I wish you fruitful deliberations as we elect new leadership that will guide UCI into its next chapter. Please enjoy your time with us in Rwanda. We look forward to welcoming you back again and again. I thank you very much.